Hello everyone. So let's see what is your selection today from the card 1 or the card 2. These two are my most favorite cards. Actually, as I always say, all my cards are very favorite cards for me. So close your eyes and call on the angels, archangels, the divine, or whichever god and goddess you feel connected to, and let them suggest to you whether you should go with card 1, which is the beautiful Conan, or the card 2, which is one of the most amazing Archangel decks. So you can go by it and then you can select. I give you a couple of seconds. So I hope you all have selected. So I shall keep this aside and just take the top card from the card 1 and keep here. And I shall take this aside and just take one more from here. Okay, so now coming to this, Sisters of the Star Blossoms. Can you see the card? There are 2-3 people, 2-3 women you will find there. So basically it talks about group effort. So today maybe you should work with the help of others. Though you might be good in your work, you should take the help of others. If you feel guided that you need support from someone, then please go with it. You should balance even your involvement. If you are in a group and you feel, I am not happy with the team I'm working, I am not happy the way things are going, then you can also do one thing. You can see how to balance your involvement or your energies in the group. So today I would like to give you all a small tip. Take a candle, preferably a white candle, burn the candle, look into the eyes of the candle and say, I call upon the beautiful goddess of the beautiful goddess Conan, divine Conan, come to me, enlighten me as to what I should do so that the group with which I'm working or the people with which I'm working, they love me unconditionally, they accept me the way I am, or the people who I love, they accept me the way I am without any sort of hesitations. Just look at it and call her, and I'm sure she will bless you all. So today I just want to add one more card from the miracle now, so that it will be more like an add-on message. So let's see. I don't need to find my purpose will find me. So maybe the Conan is saying that she is ready to give you all the answer that you're seeking. It is just that you need to ask her. Now coming to our Archangel set. This is the card taken, you are safe. A beautiful card from Archangel Michael saying he is protecting you against lower energy. So maybe you are feeling very low today, you're feeling very unsafe today, or you feel that things are not working in your favor, or you might feel someone is harming you from somewhere, or some sort of a psychic attack is happening on you and you don't know how to come out of it. So here the Archangel is saying he is there, he is helping you, he is protecting you, and he is guarding you from all the negative energies. Today burn a blue candle, a nice royal blue or even a light blue is fine. Call on him and ask him to bless you and to protect you and your loved ones. Now let's see what is the miracle card which is coming for this. Beautiful. I can find peace in every breath. So it means he is there to protect you, and all you need to do is just peacefully be relaxed, be rest assured that he is there and he is going to take care of you. Have a blessed day. Thank you.